On Jenny and Che time. You're gonna stretch. Say we stretch and stretch. You stretching good. You see her? You see your auntie? You see your auntie? She love you. You can't wait to get that off your face and see what you really look like. You see you? That's all. He probably wanted to just get up.
He knows it.
See how he's stretching out? He needed that.
Say, what's going on up there? Hey, you see me? You see this face is beautiful.
You getting big.
What you try to say? You want to hug me? I want to hug you too.
What you doing, boy?
He feels so warm.
Mommy loves her boy. He probably getting everything down because he's so used to this.
I'm sitting up.
He keep numbing that thing out his mouth. Ew.
This is so good. Your tongue in your mouth. Where you going? Where you going?
See, I don't know.